Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Cressi Calibro Mirrored Mask. So this is basically a mirrored version of the Calibro mask. It's a kind of semi-frame design. It's very low volume. It's more designed for the apnea freedivers, but you could wear this while scuba diving as well. Low internal volume just means you don't have to equalize the squeeze quite as much. The only real difference between this and the SF or the standard version is in the lenses. So the lenses have a special mirror coating that you can kind of see, and what that does is it basically reduces glare from the sun. So this is why it's particularly useful for sort of snorkelers and freedivers. But if you're scuba diving as well, when you're on the surface, you're going to get, if you're somewhere so nice and sunny, you're going to get a lot of glare off the surface. This kind of acts a bit like sunglasses, and it reduces some of that glare, so it's a bit more comfortable and that light isn't getting through to your eyes. So overall, it's a very low volume mask. It's a very compact little mask. The nose pocket on the front, it has sort of thinner sections either side of the nose, which just makes equalizing a little bit easier. It means it's not going to distort the shape of the mask quite as much, sort of when you pinch your nose, so you can still equalize nice and comfortably. So this is semi-framed. You've got a bit of a frame sort of around here, but it's very, very slight. But it's still a frame, so it's not a frameless design. The mask buckle attaches onto a soft kind of section. They kind of molded some silicone onto the frame, so you get a bit more flexibility. It still hinges, so it's still nice and comfortable. One-way sort of micro adjustment strap, so you can adjust it and then lift up on this little tab just to loosen it up. And then on the inside is where the Calibro is very different. So yes, it's a very low internal volume. You still have the same sort of double skirt design as you do on sort of most other masks. So you've got this tiny little inner skirt that creates a very wide ceiling area around your face, but you also have this internal skirt, and this just seals just over the top of your nose, and it's kind of curled and curved just at the edge. And this is the fog stop technology. What it basically does is if you exhale through your nose, as most divers do, it kind of redirects that airflow so it doesn't go straight up to the lenses. And that is actually very, very effective. I tried it on a brand new mask, really exhaling through your nose, and it takes a long time compared to a standard mask to actually fog up that mask. So if you prepare it as normal with a sort of preparation treatment and an anti-fog treatment just before you go diving, this is going to be virtually fog-proof. It's not uncomfortable neither. You don't notice it sort of touching your nose, but you do still get that sort of wide field of vision because the lenses are that much closer to your eyes. It actually opens up your field of vision. And yeah, this clever internal skirt is just a real sort of selling point for me. So the real difference between this and the other Calibro masks is that mirror coating, so that's just going to help with the glare. This compared to other masks, it's a low volume mask, it's got that anti-fog seal on the inside, makes it very, very clever. I definitely like it, I definitely recommend it. This is the Cressi Calibro Mirrored Mask. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.